wrapping Rodney truck with saran wrap. That's gonna be the prank. We're gonna get his reaction, guys, and we out. Pick the drip though. No, ease on my feet. Slight drip. All we got. Hopefully it be enough. Alright, you ready, Mike? Hopefully it be enough. Oh, pull it, bro. Bro, it's taking forever to pull it.
This nigga's retarded.
It's not messed up. Bro, slow for her. You messed up. Bro, come on, wrap it.
Oh my god!
Bro, gonna take forever. Bro, hurry up.
Shit. Hey, get the other one. No, don't get it. Hey, don't put it on yet though.
Alright. Listen, he's mad. It's cool though. Waiting for him to get done. Hey, make sure y'all share, comment, like it, you know, so everybody can see it, so it can blow up. I'll get back with you when we're done with the first round.
Alright, now boys, with the first wrap, we finna put on the second wrap real quick. It's looking good. We gotta get this out, and then a little bit of the back, and then we're gonna be done with it. And then we're gonna get back to y'all when we finish this one.
All right, guys. So it's really taking too long because we don't want to wake them up. We want to get it done with. Everybody driving by looking. Hello?
Yeah.
Hey, bro, come outside.
For what?
Bro, come outside. I gotta show you something.
Yeah, we got a surprise for you.
All right.
Alright.
All right, guys. So he coming outside. Finna get his reaction.
I wonder what he gonna do.
Man, he probably gonna be trying to fight.
Bro, I just got off of work. Yo, who did this to my truck, bro?
Bro, it been like that.
Bro, who did? Dog, come on, bro. I got
Bro,
to
he
the
can
ATM.
still drive it.
Nigga, how much drive my truck when it's saran wrap? What the nigga?
Bro, it look cool though.
Yeah, now y'all got to see me. One of y'all, bro.
Bro, it look cool
I gotta
though.
go to the ATM and y'all over here playing, bro.
Bro, you can still drive it, bro. Bro, it look good, bro. Hey, you can still drive it,
bro.
bro. You can still, bro, man, bro, you can still drive it.
It was you on. You did this on.
Bro, you can still drive
The
it.
main one laughing like it's funny, bro. Hey, just open the door. Go get the key.
Bro, he can still drive it.
How I'm gonna go to the ATM?
Bro,
I
you
gotta go
can
take out some money,
you
bro.
can still see, bro. You fine, bro. You got, bro, new rap, bro. Bro, it's not even that bad.
Get off my truck, son. Why are you just standing here?
Bro,
Like
look,
it's funny.
bro.
I bet you saran wrapped it.
Bro, look, bro. It was a random person did it.
Bro, take it off my truck, nigga. Y'all gotta see me.
Bro, it look cool though.
I ain't taking it off.
It look cool though,
Bro,
bro.
you taking it off.
You can still drive.
Start taking my shit. Bro, start
Bro, you
taking it
can
off.
still drive,
Like,
bro.
real quick, bro.
You can still drive it.
But then you leave it.
Bro, man.
Alright, nah. I got you, son. I got you too. You think it's money?
Hey though, y'all. I guess we're gonna end it here. Bro, still mad. And we out.